Western Bedford County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Coffee County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:48 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lynchburg, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tullahoma, Normandy, Rouse, and Arnold Air Force Base. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.